Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? This time, my brother, the Shiba Inu very important video, very important news, and a very important price prediction is absolutely my friend in this video. So you need to watch this video completely to understand better because this is absolutely very important for every holders to know this to what's going on this time in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, my brother, in last 24 hour minus 0.35%, the price is fails down, price is decreased now, and why they will decrease now, and can there is a chance to upcoming term Shiba Inu will price increase now or not. So this time whether the price is completely decreasing from last 7 days, definitely it's a very bad time for everyone. But remember, my brothers, to win alone must promote this coin. So just in only this coin moving upward. Otherwise, my friend, if we just in only check out the last 1 month chart, so definitely, my friend, this coin will fails down. So therefore, my brother, I just request for all of you, my brothers, to Shiba or fails down. We will see here all month this coin will fails down. So just in only minus 25.72%, the price is fails down. So it's a very huge loss now, my brother. And absolutely, my friend, if you invest for a long time, so I think Shiba Inu is very good. But if you are invest for a short time, so that's not good, my brother. They cannot give you a profit. So therefore, I will tell you. But sometime, my brother, this is good now. You can see whether this is absolutely, if you buy it in this point, so definitely from July 20. So but and they will moving upward to July 21 now. So this 24-hour result is very good now, but my friend, again they will fail us down. So therefore, I will notify you, my brothers, to please don't sell it and hold it if you invest for a long time. But if you have any plan to invest for a short time, so Shiba Inu is not comfortable going, please don't invest. Yeah, thanks for watching, holder. My prediction is totally gone positive now. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification.